Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, my meal is pasta, linguine piccole. So, I got good size short neck clam. Japanese people call asari. So, making Vongole Bianco, my favorite, a very easy one. So, I had another video in my channel. So I'm gonna use Bianco, okay? Vongole Bianco using asari, short neck clam. So you better careful making Vongole Bianco. It's very simple taste, but asari, short neck clam already has salt flavor inside body. And using anchovy paste, it's real salty. Also, pasta boiling water added salt already. That's why you have to think about how many salt inside. Then you have to make a starting time like a little light taste of salt flavor. Then you better adjust everything. Okay, that is point making Vongole Bianco. Also, I use a little rich flavor, so I want to make. That's why using nampula. This one is real salty also. Just using just like a few about 5 cc, about 3 to 5 cc. Depends on situation. So it's too salty tasting in Vongole, just to save nampula. But if you need more rich flavor, I recommend this one. But don't use too much, okay? Just a little bit. Today like this, but seven, 8 gram. So a little bit garlic and color. Okay. Then white wine. Pick up empty set. It's about 5-7 minutes. Okay, check pasta. Al dente. Perfect. Turn on the switch. Juice boiling down. Adjust texture of pasta. Little bit nampula, just a little. done. Heating up serving plate. Let's start to eat. いただきます。This is Vongole Bianco, my favorite. I think king of pasta. I'm using today short neck clam. We are Japanese people called asari. Asari is very popular now in Japan. Almost pasta restaurant on menu Vongole Bianco using asari short neck clam. So 1 week ago I using a hamaguri, a little big size of clam. So I also show up my video. Vongole Bianco hamaguri. This one is asari. いただきます。Little taste different. So both shellfish, I love it. Asari or hamaguri. Oh, great taste. This asari from Kumamoto Prefecture, a little south part of Japan. The big one. It's so good. So good. Good balance of salt taste. So I recommend this kind Vongole Bianco. Made from asari or hamaguri. Please try it. It's not so difficult. You better check point in my recipe. So totally how many salt inside now. So please keep in your mind if you want to make this kind Vongole Bianco. That is point. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good Vongole Bianco. Bye.